Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm presenting another tablescape, one that is colorful and refreshing. Trying to come up with a theme was somewhat challenging, but I decided to call it my Spring Summer Lemon Explosion Tablescape. Please enjoy. So let's get started. Beginning with the place settings. I've tried to create a rustic, relaxing scene using the naturally woven straw round placemats. The decorative white wooden chargers also deposited some rustic vibes. It made sense to me to add a hint of yellow with the deep blue dinner plates. The beautiful salad plates with the yellow singing canaries leaves nothing to the imagination. For sure, she is echoing the sounds that says, "Spring is still here, and so am I." I put together 2 napkins, one for the lap and one to use with dinner. My guests will be enjoying an ice-cold glass of refreshing lemonade with their meal. To add some greenery to the table, I placed these topiary balls in the beautiful brilliant blue pots that I purchased from HomeGoods. To bring the look together, I placed this beautiful braided straw runner down the center of the table. I think it blended in very well with the round woven placemats. I really enjoyed doing this tablescape. It was a lot of fun working with the yellow and the blue, the lemons. All of it came together so beautifully. I hope you have enjoyed it as well. Let's take one final look at the table. Please enjoy. The buffet table is an extension of the room decor. I added lemon-flavored macaroons for a tasty treat after dinner. The beautiful reef was a reef that I used during the fall. I simply removed some of the fall items and placed some lemons and some yellow flowers on it. I think it came out really nice. The beautiful yellow and white tulips ushered in a touch of spring to the space and added some charm. I want to thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for my next video. Be blessed and stay inspired. Remember, God loves you and so do I. Take good care. Bye-bye.